3, 2, 1, go!
Robots on the move. It looks like we might have the first opportunity at the auto ranking point. Red Alliance is going to lock that up as long as nobody returns to that auto starting line. Same could be said for the Blue Alliance, thanks to the coral placed in Auton. That's coming from Warrior Bots as time runs out. Drivers in control here for the remainder of qualification match number 2. All tied up coming out of auto. 1 coral on L4 and all robots picking up 2 points for leaving that starting line. That means that auto RP in play for both alliances here, helping them out early in our qualification matches to get them up in those rankings. Raising their arm up now is Muskogo's Warrior Bots down on the blue side of the field, while their alliance partner UPS picks up from their coral station. They're lining up just right, communicating with their drive team and their human player to make sure that coral gets from their intake into their elevator. We hear a little bit of hesitation, possibly a bit of locking up mechanically for UPS. Let's see how they recover, but shift our focus over to the red side of the field where Red Raider Robotics intakes coral from their human player. Same human player drops one off for Robodogs as well. Red Raider looking at L2. That coral falls to the floor. Robodogs out of Indiana joining us this weekend, also lined up on L2. Robodogs try to deploy that coral, also finding its home down on the carpet for the Red Alliance. Just about 1 minute of match play remaining. Red is in the lead, 58-25. No algae up in those nets nor processed so far here in this match. We've still got robots making sure they can do the base components of Reefscape here. Right now, 63-81 Red Raider. Scores now on L2. We see Robodogs trying to remove some algae from that reef, giving them room to raise their elevator up to L3, looking for those points for the Red Alliance. Final 30 seconds of the match coming up. Red Alliance leads by 24 points, but we can still swing either way based on the climbs that we're going to see in that barge zone at the conclusion of this match. 2 blue robots awfully close to that barge zone right as the sonar ping sounds. We have Warrior Bots and their alliance partner, Better Name Later, both make contact with a deep cage. First one looking like applying the torque they need is Better Name Later. Warrior Bots also in contact with theirs. 3 blue robots in their barge zone. Warrior Bots slip off of their deep cage. Hexhounds also grab onto theirs. For a moment, they fell down toward the carpet. They do now just barely dangle above that playing field floor.